Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. In today's episode, I will be telling you about the Aparajita or the blue pea or butterfly pea. In first half of the video, I will be telling you about the pot size, soil mix, and second part I will be telling you the direction of placing the pot, and third part I will be telling you the caring tips, all the caring tips of this Aparajita or blue pea. You can see this is the flower, this is the double petal flowers of this Aparajita or this blue pea butterfly pea, and this comes in single petal also, and this is the vines plants, and you can grow easily in any kind of plant. You see the lots of 8 or 10 flowers you can get every year. And this is the bicolor plant, bicolor flower. You can see this is the nice one, and behind there is a white wall, white color flower, beautiful white color. Every day you can get 8 to 10 flowers, and tell you this is the wild variety, and you can grow any of the soil mixture you want. You can grow in this, and I'll tell you the soil mixture also. First, I tell you the pot size. Here, the 8-inch pot is the best for growing these plants. If you have the long or it's a flat one, any kind of pot, 8-inch or 10-inch pot of this earthen pot is the best for this growing this plant. Here, behind you can see 10-inch pot, flat-inch pot. I have grown it's the plant, and mostly they are grown from the seeds easily. If you want, you can grow from cuttings also, but most easy you can grow from seeds. And if you want, you can buy from in 20 or 30 rupees you can buy. But here the staking is the very important. Whenever you are growing the plant, there must be proper staking with this plant. You can see the sticks here, and I have woven some with some strings, not a tie here with some strings. And since this is the vine plant, you have to grow and you have to trim it time to time. If you want a bushy plant, if you want hundreds of branches here and hundreds of flowers every day, so you have to keep this plant bushy. And if you want, you can make it bonsai also. Now I'll tell you how to grow them. You can easily grow them from the seeds. I have grown them from seeds. I have collected some seeds from my plants, and they've grown them in a pots of some of the balsam pots I have sown. Just see how I have grown from the seeds. Just 15 days back I have grown the seeds, dark color seeds collected, and you can grow easily from the plants here. Soil mix, I tell you here the 4 things I am showing you. This is the garden soil. You can take a little bit of garden soil and equal amount of compost, or if this soil is clay soil, then you can apply some of this coco peat and river sand. 10% river sand would be nice if the soil is your soil is clay. Else you can get 80% garden soil and 20% compost will be very nice for you growing, because this is the wild plant. You don't need much of the care, much of this some of these growing things. You don't need much of these things. So this is the all you have to grow, and you just plant this in the month of February, and in March and April the flower will start, and they will bloom up to October, November. And with the advent of winter months, the plant may go to some dormancy stage. So it is better to grow from the seeds. Every year you have to grow from the seeds, because you can collect the seeds and you can keep it in a cool and dry place, and in the month of February you can grow the plant from the seeds. Now I tell you the direction of the plant, which direction you keep. And if you believe in Vastu Shastra, then you can keep the plant in northern side or northeastern side, because this is the best place you can grow. But from my consideration, the plants, you can grow the plant in any direction. No direction is bad for you or any of them. But if you have some confusion, then you can grow in the side of northern direction or northern direction. So this is the Ishan Kono. Is the besides is many of the medicinal importance also. Its roots and seeds are used in medicinal purposes. And now I tell you the caring tips. You have to apply only 1 fistful of compost. If you apply in this one plant in one pot of 10-inch pot or 8-inch pot, 1 fistful of compost in one plant. And don't till land too much, because if you cut the roots, then plant may go to shock and the plant may die. So this is only just place and apply water in this, and you don't have to take much of this care. And you have 2 things you have to important. The staking is very important, and you have to keep this soil always moist, because you need every day lots of flowers from here. But don't make the soil soggy. And if you don't have to apply much of the insecticide or pesticide, because very few insects or pests attack these plants. So you have to, if you want, you can apply 1 ml of imidacloprid insecticide in plant once in a month, and that will do. And if you want, you can apply any of the fungicide also. So this is the most of the things of this Aparajita or blue pea or butterfly pea. Just buy then. It costs around 30 to 40 rupees from this nursery. You can buy it, and if you grow this in your home, every year they will grow up easily. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice.